Hibiscus is a stunning genus of flowering plants, famous for its large, vibrant flowers. These blooms come in colors like red, pink, yellow, and white, often measuring 4 to 10 inches across. One well-known type is the Chinese hibiscus, commonly grown as an ornamental plant. Another popular species is roselle, which is prized for its culinary uses, especially in teas and jams. The leaves and flowers are not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Hibiscus is not just a beautiful flower, it offers several impressive health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, hibiscus is loaded with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body and protect against free radical damage. Supports heart health. Studies suggest that hibiscus may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, promoting overall heart health. Boosts immunity with its high vitamin C content. Hibiscus can strengthen your immune system, helping you fend off colds and infections. Aids digestion. Hibiscus has mild laxative properties, which can help regulate digestion and promote gut health. Promotes skin health. Hibiscus is often used in skincare for its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties, making it great for maintaining healthy skin. Incorporating hibiscus into your diet can be a delicious way to enhance your health. If you're looking to enjoy these benefits, you can find high-quality hibiscus powder available on my eBay store. Click the product link in the description below to check it out.